AI just achieved scientific independence. Zochi, an AI researcher, independently wrote a scientific paper accepted to ACL 2025, the first AI ever accepted for peer-reviewed publication at an A-level scientific conference. Meanwhile, Honor commits $10 billion to humanoid robots, delivery dogs are climbing stairs in Austin, and SpaceX targets Mars in 2026 during rare planetary alignment. The convergence of AI intelligence, robotic capabilities, and space exploration is exploding simultaneously. Today, I'm revealing the breakthrough developments that mark the official dawn of the AI robot age. Zochi isn't just another AI tool, it's a full-fledged research agent that independently surveys literature, develops hypotheses, designs experiments, analyzes data, and writes complete scientific papers. Its accepted paper, Tempest, demonstrates how large language models can be vulnerable to multi-step jailbreaking attacks. The achievement is staggering. ACL 2025 has a 21% acceptance rate, and Zochi's paper ranked in the top 8.2%. The AI completed this research completely autonomously, with only the jailbreaking theme provided as guidance. Intelligy plans beta release as a research support tool, initially collaborating with humans, but eventually performing fully autonomous scientific research. AI now finds gaps in literature that humans miss, potentially accelerating discovery at unprecedented rates. Honor's $10 billion humanoid robot investment signals tech companies' massive diversification into robotics. The former Huawei subsidiary partners with Google Cloud, Qualcomm, and Vodafone to lead both AI and robotics revolutions. Honor already helped Unity's humanoid robot set world-running speed records, proving their serious technical capabilities beyond smartphone manufacturing. Austin, Texas witnesses the future as Rivr's autonomous delivery dogs climb stairs and navigate the challenging last 100 meters of package delivery. These four-wheeled robots work with VO delivery vans, taking packages directly to customers' doors. Jeff Bezos backs the ambitious goal of deploying 1 million delivery robots in cities, with Rivr expanding from current pilots to 100 robots next year and thousands by 2027. Singapore deploys 4 humanoid robots by mid-2027 for firefighting, hazardous material response, and search and rescue operations. Initially human-controlled, they transition to AI-powered autonomous missions from 2029. These 1.70-meter robots incorporate large language models for advanced thinking capabilities. One smaller variant uses exosuit and VR goggles for teleportation-like operator control during dangerous missions. Japanese firm Ubitus launches AI-powered medical robots using NVIDIA's latest technologies for hospital logistics, patient care, and safety improvements. SpaceX maintains Mars 2026 target despite 3 consecutive Starship test failures. The rare planetary alignment reduces Earth-Mars distance from 400 million to 55 to 60 million kilometers, enabling fuel savings in shorter 6 to 9 month journeys with reduced radiation exposure. University of Texas researchers developed removable e-tattoos that wirelessly monitor brain activity and eye movements in real time, tracking stress and fatigue during daily activities. This ultra-thin, flexible technology opens possibilities for continuous brain and heart health monitoring. Neuralink, valued at $9 billion with $600 million fresh investment from Peter Thiel and Google Ventures, received FDA breakthrough device designation. Clinical trials continue for brain-computer interfaces, enabling paralyzed individuals to control devices with thoughts alone. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Neuralink prepares line-side trials for restoring sight to the blind, aiming to eliminate human disabilities, including spinal cord injuries and vision loss. We're witnessing unprecedented convergence, AI conducting independent scientific research, $10 billion humanoid robot investments, autonomous delivery systems, life-saving rescue robots, Mars colonization preparation, and brain-computer interfaces eliminating disabilities. Sam Altman's prediction of human-level robots within 5 years aligns with massive corporate investments and breakthrough achievements happening now. The AI robot age isn't approaching, it's here. The combination of artificial intelligence achieving scientific independence, robotics solving real-world problems, space exploration acceleration, and human enhancement technologies creates a technological revolution that will reshape society within this decade. The question isn't whether these technologies will transform society, but how quickly we can adapt to the incredible capabilities emerging from laboratories into daily life across every sector imaginable.